Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name Skyrot. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Yeah, presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on Clickbank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyrot@gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you. Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name Skyrot. If you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yeah, if you've been following my videos, you know I'm an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. And I'll be displaying my students account. Yes, my students that got my software and video course and they've started to be earning big money on their Clickbank affiliate marketing platform. So this is my own personal account. It's been a while I display my own account. This is my own personal account. As I'm working on my student account, I'm also working on my own personal account too. Yes, remember I said I manage accounts for my students. If you are getting my software and video course, I'm going to create an account for you. If you need me to manage your accounts, I manage accounts for my students also. Yes, I have people that work for me that do that. So also remember that me managing your account, some people have been asking me that what's the special offer in me managing your account. I have to tell you that there's no special offer there because my video course is available for you. My video course will guide you step by step on how to use my software to get big and wonderful sales like this on any of your affiliate marketing platform. So my software can also do the teaching and guide you to get good sales like the one you can see on the screen. So we both know affiliate marketing is about marketing a particular product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. And the more the product to sell, the more your commission and the money that comes in for you. So that is why I'm coming, because I have an affiliate marketing traffic generating software which I've been using over the years now, and that's been earning me big money like the ones you can see on the screen. Yes, this is my own personal account and I've earned millions through this account. So also some people have also been asking me that why, if I'm earning millions, why am I selling software and video course? The reason why I'm selling software and video course because I want to create a platform for affiliate marketers around the world, because I'm coming back and I'm coming in a big wave. Yes, for affiliate marketers around the world. I'm trying to create a platform for affiliate marketers around the world, which I'm still working on, and with time we get to where we are going to. So now if you want to get my software and video course and enjoy the click of the smart ones that are making big money on affiliate marketing, yes, because it's not about the hard work, it's about the smart work and the chances you take. So if you want to take the chance to become a successful affiliate marketer, contact me on my Gmail at skyrot07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Contact me on my Gmail at skyrot07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course. Enjoy the click of the smart ones that are making edge and making money on affiliate marketing. Yes, the game has really changed from just sharing links online, from using strategy and targeted traffic system. And my software is a target traffic system, which also my video course contains some information which will help you get targeted traffic. Yes, there are some products that I will teach you in my video course on how to market to some particular locations to get big sales. Yes, some locations are known for some products and vice versa. There are more information and secrets which are embedded in my video course, which will be revealed to you when you get the video course and software. So the purpose of this is just to make you a successful affiliate marketer. So I'm going to guide you also. If you are getting my software and video course, I'm going to create a Clickbank affiliate marketing profile for you. Yes, not minding the restriction, because there are some countries that you can't open an account, there's restriction for them. I'm going to create an account for you if you are getting my software and video course, and I'm going to stick by you till you start earning. Yes, my video course will explain everything to you, but if you have any question, my students know I'm always accessible. So get my software and video course today and enjoy the click of the smart ones that are making edge and start making big money on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, my software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone, but you can use my software to earn big money on other affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo and the likes. So contact me today to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skyreth and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.